Hello guys, if you are looking for how to add thumbnail on YouTube video, this video is for you. So if you want to add thumbnail on any video, go to the video and click on here, then click on this option, then click on custom thumbnail. Click on custom thumbnail, then click on learn more. Then you have to click on this account is verified, this option. Then you will be go to a browser and you have to verify your mobile number for add thumbnail. So I am going to add my mobile number. So after entering mobile number, you have to enter 6-digit verified code. This code will come to your mobile number 21192. As you can see, my phone number is verified. So let's go to YouTube Studio app again and see that I can add thumbnail now or not. So I am going to this video. Yes, you can see that I can add any of thumbnail now. So this was the method for adding thumbnail on your videos. So guys, if you like this video, click on like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.